Hello friends, welcome to JavaFx GUI tutorial. So in this video and next video we will learn about progress bar and progress indicator. First we will learn introduction about progress bar and progress indicator. So here what you are seeing is the progress bar, and progress indicator also works just like progress bar, but the appearance will look slightly different. So this one is what called progress indicator. So our sample will perform incrementing the progress bar by 10 as well as decrementing it by 10. So usually when we want to report progress, we will start from 0 and we will access this specific functionality. We will increment the progress bar by 10, and this one is not a frequently used one, but for learning purpose we can do the decrement as well. Both progress bar and progress indicator reports progress of a certain task. The setProgress method takes a double value between 0 and 1. That means 0 means we can say it is 0%, 1 means 100%. So usually we indicate the progress in terms of a percentage. So suppose if you want to show 50% of progress is completed, then you will pass a value of 0.5 to setProgress method. So the setProgress will represent percentage completion. That means from 0% to 100%. Here we specified about the notation. The method getProgress returns double value, which is set with the setProgress method. So say for example, at present if progress bar is at 25%, then getProgress will return you 0.25. In this sub-series, we will explore both progress bar as well as progress indicator. Since this control returns a double value, we will be using the decimal format to decide the decimal precision, and we will you will see that when we are implementing the example. So there is no demo in here. Thank you for watching. Bye.